Hello students, we continue with chemical thermodynamics. Today we will see nature of heat and work. We know that both heat and work are called path functions because they depend upon the path followed. Now, first we will see nature of the work from our lower classes, that is from mechanics. We know that work is product of force into displacement. So F into D or F into S we have said is the formula of the work, force into displacement. This is according to the mechanics जो हमने lower classes में पढ़ा है. Now according to thermodynamics, if we consider concept according to thermodynamics, then this work is called PV type of the work. Work is called PV type of the work in which either the gas will expand or it will contract due to the external opposing force. Okay, pressure volume type of the work, how I can write pressure into volume is the work. So it is work is actually product of pressure and volume of the gas which will be enclosed in a container. Now we know what is pressure. Pressure is force acting per unit area, right? So we just substitute formula for pressure. It is force upon area. Now area is nothing but length into length. If we consider that cylinder, so I can write d square, और volume क्या होता है, length cube, means you will take d cube, right? So what pressure into volume actually reduces to, it is F into D, which is nothing but formula for work. So here we have proved that work in thermodynamics is pressure into volume. Okay, so this is called PV type of the work. Now we will consider two cases to see how the work is done either due to expansion or due to contraction. Let us first take example of decomposition of H2O2. Okay, we have to consider decomposition of H2O2. So we are having H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide, in a container, and as usual there is a piston with a small weight on the surface of this liquid. This is the situation before the reaction, that is expansion, take place. Now if work is done by the system on the surrounding, it means there will be formation of oxygen gas. Okay, so what will happen, because H2O2 decomposes, how it decomposes, how we will write the reaction, right? H2O2 decomposes on its own slowly into water and oxygen. We know this is liquid, water is also liquid, but oxygen being a gas, it will take more space and it will apply pressure. So after the reaction, what will happen, this oxygen gas will expand and the piston will move up, and in this case you will say that work is done by the system on the surrounding. Work is done by the system on the surrounding, and this particular work is called PV expansion. Because the work is of expansion, it is called pressure volume expansion. क्या हुआ, H2O2 decompose on its own, and due to formation of the gas the piston moves up, means there is expansion, which is called pressure volume expansion. Okay, so this is the work of expansion in thermodynamics. We take one more example where we will see how the contraction takes place. Now consider reaction between ammonia and HCl gas. Consider reaction between ammonia, which is a gas, and hydrogen chloride, which is also a gas. How I will write the reaction, ammonia gas reacts with HCl, which is also a gas. Then when they combine, they will form NH4Cl, ammonium chloride. We know this is solid. right? Now how we will show that in the form of expansion or contraction type of the work. तो कंटेनर में आपने लिया है अमोनिया गैस और HCl gas. Now this much volume is occupied by these two gases. We know gas occupies more space. Now when the reaction between is over, afterwards what you will find, this volume decreases because what is formed, ammonium chloride, a solid product which occupies less space, so that the pressure is applied downwards, and volume decreases, right? In this case you will say, as the reaction progresses gases are consumed. जैसे जैसे ये reaction आगे जाएगा अमोनिया और HCl का amount कम होता जाएगा and there will be decrease in the volume. The piston will move down and you will say surrounding performs the work on system, and this is called PV work of contraction. This is called PV contraction or PV work of contraction, where the surrounding performs work on the system. Okay, so this is PV contraction. इसके पहले जो हमने देखा था वो PV expansion था, right? Now after these two examples of expansion and contraction, we come to the second part, that is nature of heat. Nature of the heat. We know heat is also a path function and we denote it by what? Q. Now heat is what? It is a form of energy by which system exchanges energy with its surrounding. When system and surrounding are at different temperatures, when your system and surrounding both are at different temperatures, then there will be exchange of heat between them. Okay, which means that heat will either flow out of the system or it will flow inside the system. Okay, so nature of the heat, either the system absorbs heat or it releases heat depending upon what temperatures are there for the system and surrounding. Last, today we will see the sign conventions. Sign conventions for the two quantities that we have studied, that is work and heat. Okay, heat कब पॉजिटिव होगा कब नेगेटिव होगा और वर्क भी कब पॉजिटिव और कब नेगेटिव लेना है आपको, दैट वी विल बी सीइंग टुडे. वी विल गिव द साइन ऑफ प्लस क्यू to the heat when heat is absorbed by the system. Okay, because we study thermodynamic properties related to system, so when heat is absorbed by the system, obviously from where, from the surrounding, then it is taken as plus q. We will take minus q if heat is given out, that is heat is released by the system to the surrounding. If heat is released by the system, अगर heat absorb हुआ तो plus q लेना है, heat given out तो minus q लेना है. Similarly, work we will take positive if work is done on the system, obviously by the surrounding. Okay, and you will take minus w, means work you will take negative if work is done by the system on the surrounding. ओके, एक ट्रिक है कि जब वर्क नेगेटिव होगा इसका मतलब वर्क इज डन बाय द सिस्टम. वी नो सिस्टम इज स्मॉलर दैन सराउंडिंग, so if small thing is doing work, it is going to be negative. Remember, work done will be negative if it is done by the system. Okay, we will continue in the next class with some more concepts in thermodynamics. Till then, bye bye.